Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 50 LE for Verizon Prepaid. So the TCL 50 LE is a new budget smartphone for Verizon Prepaid. It is now available in a storm gray color, so that's pretty cool. 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $99.99 full retail price, no contacts of course. So yeah, this is a new budget smartphone. There is the phone right there on the front. You guys got your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. I do like the wallpaper there, very colorful and whatnot. Back of the TCL 50 LE is your camera setup. Dual cameras. An interesting camera setup here. The way they have it set up here, pretty interesting. Looks like dual cameras. Looks like it. Camouflage. TCL logo down back. It's a pretty interesting camera setup there on the back. Right side of the front, power button, volume keys. Left side, this is the right side. Power button, volume keys. Left side will have a micro SD and SIM card slot. Right here where my mouse is, on the upper, on the top on the left side, that's where your micro SD and SIM card slot will go. Alright. Last I just mentioned it, SIM card, micro SD slot right here, so very cool. On the bottom of the TCL 50 LE is a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. You don't really see that anymore. Microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker, and there is the front once again. So the TCL 50 LE has up to 28.26 hours of usage time. It has panorama, video, photo, portrait, light, trace, Google Lens camera. Pretty sweet. It's 0.33 inches in width. They probably put this up here. I'm pretty sure it's probably supposed to say 0.33 inches in depth, I guess, and then 6.47 inches in height. You have a dual camera setup on the back. I was kind of right on that. 13 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel depth camera on the rear. Up to 18.99 days of standby time. It says efficiency with brilliant visuals and performance. The TCL 50 LE has brilliant visuals on a 6.6 inch HD Plus display, powered by Next Vision technology. That is a TCL feature, which is pretty cool. The 90Hz refresh rate will make viewing your favorite sports shows and apps smoother and more immersive. The 13 megapixel AI powered rear camera system and 8 megapixel front camera allows you to capture everyday moments. The quad core processor and 4,000 mAh battery provides all day performance. Take the face unlock or the side mounted fingerprint sensor to keep your device and data secure while easily accessing it with just a glance or a touch. So for $80 you're getting quite a feature set here. You're getting a 90Hz refresh rate, which is pretty much standard now on budget phones like this. Now it's pretty much standard now. You're getting facial recognition and fingerprint. Not bad for $80, and the fingerprint sensor is your power button, so do keep that in mind. Alright, so it says here, refreshing brilliant visuals. The TCL 50 LE powered by Next Vision technology offers a brilliant 6.6 inch HD Plus display. Color, contrast, and clarity are improved in real time to provide a better visual experience. When paired with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, it provides an immersive viewing experience. Excellent cameras for detailed memories. The 13 megapixel main camera takes excellent images, whether you are using it for work or play. With the 2 megapixel depth camera, you can create breathtaking portraits, and the 2 megapixel macro camera can bring out the details of the world. The 8 megapixel front camera captures great selfies with friends, and lets you join video and lets you join in video calls so you can stay connected anywhere. Strong performance, powered by a MediaTek G36 octa-core processor. Get faster app downloads and stream seamlessly with the TCL 50 LE. Experience enhanced performance and multitasking thanks to the 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. The expandable 64 GB of internal storage lets you keep files, save memories and movies, plus download all your favorite apps. Power that lasts. The powerful 4,000 mAh battery in the TCL 50 LE is designed to last all day. Battery life can be monitored with the TCL Smart Manager and extend with the assistance of battery saver mode. The ultra slim light design makes it easy to carry throughout your day. So the phone does look very nice. So yeah, you're getting a pretty good feature set here for $80. You can't go wrong. Specs: the TCL 50 LE has a 13 megapixel main camera, has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. It's a MediaTek chipset there. You have facial recognition, fingerprint, which is your power button. You also have your standard security options as well, like password, customizable pin pattern, Android 14, which is very cool. Star ratings: the height of the TCL 50 LE 6.47 inches, screen 6.6 inches HD plus, Type-C charging, which is pretty much standard now. Video playback 1080p at 30, video capture 1080p at 30. There's your audio settings, Google Assistant obviously, hearing aid compatibilities of course, your mobility and cognitive features there, global and roaming network, usage time up to 28.26 hours. 4G obviously, there is no 5G on this phone. As far as I can tell, there's no 5G on this phone, so if you're looking for 5G, this is not the phone for you. So this only has 4G LTE only. You have a 90Hz refresh rate, 4,000 mAh battery, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, expandable memory up to 512 GB, so take advantage of that. The TCL 50 LE weighs 6.19 ounces. Camera mode, you get panorama, video, photo, portrait, light trace, and Google Lens. Aspect ratio is 20:9. Power sensor, you can wirelessly charge other devices, which is pretty cool. 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM. Visuals, Bluetooth 5.1. The width, the depth of the TCL 50 LE is 0.33 inches. The rear cameras, you have two of them, 13 megapixel main camera plus a 2 megapixel depth camera on the rear. The width of the TCL 50 LE is 2.95 inches. Fast charging, of course, standby time up to 18.99 days of standby time, and it's available in a dark gray color. If you guys need help with your TCL 50 LE, Verizon is here to help you out with that. It says here Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is of course your TCL 50 LE Verizon prepaid smartphone, charging brick, which is very nice to see, Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions there. You send stuff in the box there. So it comes with the SIM ejection tool as well. It does not listed here, but it does come with the SIM ejection tool. So yeah, send the stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL 50 LE is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $80. No contracts, of course. Very nice looking phone, and you're getting a pretty good feature set and spec set with this phone for $80. You're getting facial recognition, fingerprint unlock, you're getting fast charge, you're getting, you know, you do get what you pay for here, but the feature set and spec set are pretty good for what it is, so it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or just about the phone in general. Definitely worth checking out. It does look very nice. It does have Android 14, which is very cool. Don't know if it will Android 15. Who knows? But yeah, for $80 you can't go wrong. You know what I'm saying? So definitely worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.